Hi, if you wanna edit photos on Samsung Galaxy S25, then as a first step, open Gallery and find photo you wanna edit. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now, to edit photo, we need to tap pen icon, and after that, you'll be able to rotate it. For example, you can mirror it like that. You can also straighten your photo, also adjust it horizontally and vertically like this. You can tap here and add some filters. Also, you can adjust manually color temperature, contrast, saturation, and so on. You can switch to this editing icon and manually adjust light balance, brightness. Let's go back in the icon, exposure, like that, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, tint, temperature, sharpness, and definition. Also, you can tap on auto, so your phone will automatically edit the photo. Then you can tap this emoji icon and draw something on the picture. You can choose type of pen, for example this one. Then you can add some stickers like that. And then you can write down something on the photo, change its color, tap on text, change font style. Also, you can enable this highlight and change its position and also size. If you messed up, you can delete it like that. You can tap on sticker and also you can make it bigger or smaller. You can mirror it, you can copy it, and so on. And also we got this 4 dots, and we got cool features such as object eraser, for example. This is AI feature. You can draw around anything you want to erase. Then tap erase and just wait a few seconds, and this is the result. You can also try to erase reflections with the help of this way. Let's tap lasso like that, and here switch to freeform and tap next. And now we just removed background. Also, we got here the spot color, we got color mix, and also we got here style. So you can play with those settings as you want to. For example, change style of your picture to comic and save the changes by tapping done button, but I'm gonna cancel it. And also here we got this stars icon, which is AI. So you can delete object from the photo by selecting it like that and then tapping eraser. Let's tap eraser, and after that we need to tap generate and wait a few seconds till AI will do its work. And here it is. We just removed whole plant from the picture, which is quite impressive. We can view original. Let's compare it. Yes, this is impressive. Also, we got AI feature, another one, but let's go back in the editing. So another feature we got is sketch to image. You can draw anything you want to generate in the image. For example, let's try to draw a house and tap generate. But as you can see, we need to draw objects smaller or closer together to generate. And yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.